Hi everyone, my name is Sangram and I am from Pune. Recently I completed the data science course in the India ETLHive Institute. Before going to start the review about the ETLHive Institute, I am going to share my background. Basically I am from commerce background with zero computer knowledge and zero computer background. So it is very difficult to shift this non-tech background to tech background. So I am in search of the institute where the trainer which will teach me from scratch. So I found the institute ETLHive, and the trainer that is Mr. Vaibhav sir, which will teach you from scratch. And yes, I am started getting the vacancies from the institute, and just want to thank ETLHive and Mr. Vaibhav sir, and wish you all the best for the upcoming data science aspirants. Thank you.